This is Michael Luchies from How to Livable. As you can see, my screen is very bright. Today we're going to activate dark mode on LinkedIn. To turn on dark mode on LinkedIn, first click on Me. Then you're going to click on Settings and Privacy. And here's what's kind of tricky. You would think to click on Visibility here, but that's not it at all. It's actually Account Preferences. So click on Account Preferences and then Display. Then right here for dark mode, click on Change. You can click on dark mode and boom, there it is. You can click back to LinkedIn. And there it is. Dark mode is activated on LinkedIn. If this has been helpful, please do give us a like on the video and consider subscribing to the How to Livable channel. If you have any questions about how to do something on LinkedIn or anything else, please do ask below and we'll try to answer that question for you. Thank you.